Hey, welcome you all. Today we are going to review another website, that is tomtops.com. So if you are curious to know about the unbiased review on this website, watch the video. We are going to share the details. It is an online portal that claims to offer great products such as wallet, floating beds. They are committed to their job by providing a wide range of catalog, for example, inflatable web, phone holders, projectors, fans, dog planter, watches, drones. Let's check out the details on this website. It was registered on 4th November 2020 and it will expire on 4th November 2021. It is just 8 months 9 days old website and it will expire within a year. On their website they have mentioned their email address, which is not matching the domain name, which is not a good sign. Moreover, for shipping they have mentioned 1 to 5 working days. Moreover, they will providing you 14 days refund and return policy. They have mentioned their official timing from 9 to 5:30 on their for Saturday on their website, and from Monday to Friday they have mentioned 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Let's check out the positive point of this website, as they include plenty of items for buyers, including projector. The website provides free shipping worldwide at the expense of $49. An email address is mentioned over the website. A Facebook page is available on the website. The drawback of this website is that an office and contact number is absent, which creates suspicion. The absence of reviews over the internet and Trustpilot are seen. They exhibit a low trust score of 8% and trust rank is 47.4 out of 100. Two different email addresses are directed on the website. So the question is Tom Tops is legit? So as far as their social media links are concerned, only Facebook page is provided with no reviews on it. Moreover, absence on YouTube printers can be seen on the website. A low trust score of 8% and average trust rank is 47.4 out of 100 has been reported. Moreover, its Alexa ranking is very low. So as far as customer reviews are concerned, we are unfortunate to find any customer review either on the website nor on any other platform, so it makes it suspicious. In our final conclusion, we are saying that as we have discussed different parameters, like there is some lack of information on the website, like owner's name, official address and contact details. So a bad trust score make it more suspicious. Moreover, an email address which is not matching the domain name is also failed to build the trust. So it is no doubt a questionable website. So we are just recommending you people not to buy from this website, so by then you may not lose your money.